In this Canva tutorial, I'm going to show you how to restore previous versions on Canva Mobile. So your projects will have been auto-saved when you make design changes, and Canva keeps those versions dating back pretty far, even days. And so to access the version history, we're going to go up to the top of our screen and click on the three dots, and then about kind of all the way down, we're going to see version history. Now this is a Canva Pro feature, so you'll have to have Canva Pro or try it for free with the link in the description. We click on version history and we'll see these different versions that have been auto-saved through time. So I can click on one of the versions and see what it looked like at that time. You notice I didn't have the background removed from this photo, so maybe I wanted to go back to that version. I could restore it here. I can also click this little arrow and make a copy, which is like restoring that version without getting rid of the current version of what my project is. So we could make a copy or even just restore. I'm going to click on restore, and that's going to restore this project. And you can see now that this project has been restored to that version where it didn't have the background removed. And so that's how you can restore previous versions of your projects here on Canva Mobile.